Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2015 Honda Shadow that I want to show you. It's a VT750, 750cc liquid cooled V-twin with a 5-speed. This is the Phantom model, all blacked out here, the blacked out motor, blacked out front end, black powder coated rims. Really a sweet, sweet bike. Low mileage too, it's got under 500 miles. Shaft drive bike, just in excellent condition. Factory exhaust, all the rear hub, shocks, everything is blacked out. This is a real nice look. The bike's only got 231 miles. Pops right off. It's just like new. I didn't see anything on here that I needed to point out to you. I'll give it another close look with the video and see if I can spot anything. Right here on the tank, there might be a little spot right there. Didn't see any rock pecks or anything. It probably hasn't ever even been out on the highway. Bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. Shaft drive 750. Original tires on it, 230 miles. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.